Ireland recorded its strongest ever wind gust on Friday as destructive storm Eowyn barreled in from the Atlantic, cutting power, grounding flights and shutting schools. Irish forecaster Met Eireann said hundreds of thousands of homes lost power as gusts of 183 km per hour lashed the western coast, beating the previous record of 182 km per hour recorded in 1945. Before the storm hit, Ireland, Northern Ireland and Scotland were put on high alert, with schools ordered to close. Trains, flights and ferries were cancelled as forecasters warned the storm could cause havoc. Northern Ireland's First Minister Michelle O'Neill warned there was a genuine threat to life and property, describing the region as currently being in the eye of the storm. The top-level red warning for wind covering Northern Ireland came into force at 7 a.m. that's 7 hours GMT. Dublin Airline announced that more than 110 scheduled departures and 110 arrivals have been cancelled by airlines for Friday. The strongest gust ever recorded in the UK is 228 km per hour at Fraserburgh in eastern Scotland on February 13, 1989. O'Neill urged people to heed warnings and stay at home if possible.